Microsoft and IGEL's partnership goes hand in hand. Microsoft's really trying to disrupt the cloud market space, and IGEL's trying to disrupt the end user computing space. So both of them together, attacking the Microsoft WVD conversations with customers, it's really a great joint venture together.
What's real exciting with IGEL's partnership with Microsoft is really seeing kind of that digital workspace expand and really being able to deliver that seamless user experience so they can work anywhere, anytime, on any device, regardless of the back-end technology. So that's really powerful that IGEL is now bringing to the market with Microsoft.
The future of what we see in the end user compute side of it, with the ability to bring Windows virtual desktop to many customers that maybe didn't have the infrastructure to deploy VDI and the existing overhead that would take and the on-prem services that you have to be able to do a Windows type of experience. Now with IGEL and the partnership with Windows, that really brings that home where you get a very secure hardware and platform technology backed by the IGEL OS, and the ability to have the manageability suite that comes with that, but then also expand that to now have effectively a virtual Windows environment for your enterprise.
Since IGEL works with Windows Virtual Desktop natively, and one of the first partners is that they will be able to deliver the first end-to-end solution and be able to provide that value to people and save them millions of dollars that they would normally spend maintaining existing endpoints. They can use that to go to Windows Virtual Desktop.
So IGEL's support for WVD impacts the computing market, I think, because of control. Being able to understand where they're coming from, what devices they're using, and being able to secure the endpoint as well as the solution in WVD. So the endpoint is really critical. That's where everything starts. And with IGEL's ability to control and secure that endpoint is going to be very critical.
IGEL's partnership with Microsoft is interesting because what it does is it validates that the endpoint doesn't matter anymore. Right? And what I mean by that is Microsoft is not trying to put their OS at the endpoint. They're trying to get people in the cloud and allow you to connect to your desktop or your apps from anywhere. And so they validate that with Windows Virtual Desktop. They validate that with the effort to get people to Azure, and then the partnership with IGEL just basically solidifies that a device is a device. The OS does matter, but the OS has to be simple, it has to be secure, and it has to be easy for the user to interact with. And so the partnership just solidifies that, hey, virtual desktops are real, and cloud computing is real, and the endpoint just needs to be something that the user can use to get to what they need to get to. So that's what I think the partnership solidifies, is the whole messaging around, hey, it's not about what's at the endpoint anymore, it's about how you get to what you need to. And IGEL just makes it easy.